Furniture construction is easy to accomplish with quality tools. Woodpecker's 6-inch carpenter square is just such a tool. Woodpecker's 6-inch carpenter square is a perfectly machined combination 90 and 45 degree miter square, which features engraved inch-scale markings on the vertical leg and handles for a physical reference to the edge of the workpiece, to ensure that perfect 45 and 90 degree angle every time. Quality begins with the blade being machined from high-grade cast and ground aluminum tooling plate. By milling the blade from the single plate, both angles are held to a much higher degree of precision than what's possible from stamped or molded plastic tools. The solid aluminum handles are fastened to the body with high-strength socket screws. Separating the handles from the blade ensures that they can be recalibrated to the blade if knocked out of position. So if you're looking to up your speed and accuracy in the layout of your woodworking projects, then consider adding Woodpecker's 6-inch carpenter square to your woodworking toolbox. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the 6-inch carpenter square is manufactured in our plant just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.
Sometimes you need imagination to see the big picture. Introducing the new portable clamping workstation from Keter Tools. A sturdy work surface, easy to work on anywhere, quick and easy to set up and adjust. A built-in clamping system. Portable clamping workstation from Keter Tools. Use it. Enjoy it.
The next generation of tools has arrived. Where adaptability increases productivity. With intuitive design, revolutionary speed, pinpoint accuracy, and track saw-like precision. Rigid strength has never been so flexible. Meet the NGX clamp edge system. Set it, clamp it, and cut it. The power is in your hands. The NGX Clamp Edge System. Designed performance by Bora Tool.
Hey, this is the Bosch PLH 181 18-volt cordless planer. Only Bosch could deliver this level of performance in such a compact package. Weighing in at less than 6 pounds, including a battery, this planer is over 20% lighter than others on the market. The high-performance 4-pole motor provides fast stock removal and a smooth finish. Change the chip ejection to left or right for increased convenience. The ratcheting depth knob allows for quick and easy depth adjustment, while the lock-off button avoids accidental turn-on of the tool. The PLH 181 works on the Bosch flexible power system, which means that you can power this planer with any Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion battery on the market, because they're all compatible. Pick up the Bosch Slim Pack battery, which is what we have now, for a lighter weight tool, or use the Fat Pack, and that will extend your runtime. So there you go. That is the Bosch PLH 181 18-volt cordless planer. For more information on this planer, refer to this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 18-volt cordless power tools.
To their fence clamps. These compact and lightweight fence clamps feature steel-threaded components with a rigid aluminum body, an ABS handle to engage the clamping face, and a TPR clamp pad to help prevent marring on your tools or workpieces. These clamps have a range of travel from 1/2 inch all the way up to 5 3/4 inch. The clamping arm can easily fit into a 3/8 of an inch hole in your auxiliary fences, and they weigh in just under 1 pound. The Milescraft fence clamps can be used with table saws, router tables, miter saws, and more. You can create an auxiliary or sacrificial fence by using something like the Milescraft Joint Mate, which you can see being used here. Setting up stop blocks on your miter saw helps to increase the efficiency and accuracy of your cuts throughout your project. You can ensure that your pieces will be secured and held at 90 degrees when you use these clamps along with the Milescraft clamp squares. These clamps are ideal for securing auxiliary or sacrificial fences to your table saw, router table, or bandsaw. For more information about this product or any other products featured in this video, please visit milescraft.com.
Now when you're ready to engage and use the Exactrack feature on your saw, it's very simple and easy. You just simply loosen the depth setting, you slide it into the red, tighten it back up, click over the Exactrack switch, now you're ready to make your cuts. And you can use any track or guide up to 1 inch thick. Now we're going to use the Exactrack saw to make a precise 3-inch rip cut, and that's where this saw really shines. So you want to make sure it's in the Exactrack mode and the guide engages just like that. And I've made my marks at 3 inches, and that's what's great about this saw. I can set the guide up directly on my marks. I'm not, no longer do I have to measure from the blade to the outside of the plate and then put the saw in place and then measure that. No, I put the guide directly on my marks and I clamp it down. And now you want to make sure, for a precise cut, you want to make sure that your guide overhangs each edge of your board by 9 inches. And that's in your user's manual. So just adhere to that, lock your clamps in place, and then the next step is manually pull up the guard and put the blade flush against your guide. Make sure it's there. You're ready to make your cut.